Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy Handmade Ideas, where we bring you the best DIY and crafting tips. I'm Marina, and today we've got something special in store for you. We're going to show you how to make a lush and beautiful white bow from a simple satin ribbon. Trust me, it's easier than it looks, and the results are absolutely stunning. Gentle bows always make the image doll-like and cute, and white is always in style. In this lesson, you will learn how to make a lush white bow from satin ribbon. It will take you about 35 minutes to make this craft. Okay, let's get started. Materials needed: satin ribbon, its width is 2 inches or 5 centimeters, white felt, decorative bead, threads, needle, scissors, ruler, glue gun, lighter, elastic band for hair. Step 1. Use a satin ribbon. Take a 4 inches or 10 centimeters piece of satin ribbon to create a luxurious bow petal. Gently scorch the edges with a lighter. Step 2. Work with the reverse side. Put the tape face down and fold the first side into the corner. Step 3. Make a fold. Fold this edge again and temporarily fasten with a pin. Step 4. Fold on the other side. Fold the second edge of the tape in the same way. Step 5. Make a second corner. Then make another fold on the same side and fasten with a pin. Step 6. Prepare the needle and thread. Before doing this, position the blank petal in front of you. All folds should be at the bottom and the corners at the top. Sew the 2 bottom sides of the resulting square with a basting stitch. Insert the needle from the wrong side to the right. Step 7. Fasten the pieces together. Sew half of the blank. Step 8. Create a petal. Gently pull the thread to tighten the petal. Fix the thread and cut it off. You should have 1 petal for the future bow, as shown in the video. Step 9. Prepare 12 petals. Make a few petals like this. The number of petals you make will depend on how ornate you want the bow to be. If necessary, you can finish the desired number of elements as you work. Step 10. Use felt. Cut a circle 1.8 inches or 4.5 centimeters in diameter from a piece of white felt. Step 11. Place the petals on the blank. Glue the petals to the felt circle with hot glue. Step 12. Make the first row of petals. Place the 8 petals in a circle in the first row. Step 13. Make a second row of petals. Glue 5 blanks together to make a second row of petals. Step 14. Connect all the petals. Glue the second row on top of the first one. Step 15. Use artificial jewelry. Decorate the center with a bead. Use a glue gun to attach the bead. Fasten the elastic band to the other side. Congratulations! You have made a lush white bow from satin ribbon with your own hands. This accessory is perfect for any occasion. Get creative and share your creations with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Until next time, happy crafting!